Here we have a 2012 Skoda Fabia. It's coming for a service. One of the things we noticed is the electric mirrors aren't working on the door switch. So I've taken the door card off, tested for a power feed, got no power feed. Fuse 11 in here, that 5 amp fuse there is for the power windows. We've got power on both sides of that fuse. Took the rubber trim off the wiring loom into the door. Sure enough, one broken wire. It's a blue-black wire. It seems to be the only one that's broken in here. It's a power feed to the window switch. You can just see there's a blue-black wire runs up here. Got power to that with that plugged in. So I just have to take off the speaker so I can feed the wiring loom through the door, draw this out a bit more so I can repair that and then get these windows working.